Taker fun rhyme. This here's a blubber schmuck. Glue got sloppy on me, Big D. Come on. Yeah, I've been there, Max, for sure, by golly. Kind of casein smear let down. Come on. Yeah, 10-4 to the hobby store there, Big D. Yeah, I'll meet you at the front door, good buddy.
Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tankers. And we just had the 3-in-1 model show down here in Milton, Florida, with P.A.M.S, the Panhandle Automotive Modeling Society, the ArmorGators, and the Panhandle area figure things. Me and Shaggy were there, and we had an absolute blast and met some wonderful people. WT and Nicole from Keel Mountain Model Works came down with us. I got a shop card and a sticker, and let me tell you, these guys are really down to earth, wonderful people. We had a great time with them. They're a little late setting up, but because it's a local show, we made sure that they had time and everything they needed to get set up. It was a wonderful time. They went to the beach afterwards. Kids loved it. Great time. Now we do have another model show coming up in September, I believe it is. So it's time for you guys to start thinking about what you want to bring for that one. And I did get a couple things, so I guess this is kind of a talking about the show that we had, as well as what did you get Wednesday, Saturday, whatever you want to call it. What did you get show? I did manage to pick up a couple things that I was waiting for. I don't know why. This little Sunbeam Tiger has been on my wish list for a long time. I don't know why. I just want to build the stock version of it. I've never had one, never known anybody that had one. I just like the car. I just think it's kind of neat. But I found one. The box isn't in perfect shape by any means, but that's okay. I found one. I got one. I'm happy. And I had enough money to get some raffle tickets and one other model. So I made a deal for this open box of the 68 Firebird. I remember wanting to build this many moons ago just for the Thumper version. I don't know why. I always liked it. It's got the bunny. It's got the decals. I want Thumper thumping down the racetrack. And that was really all I was going to spend, but then I found this Tamiya kit for 15 bucks, and if you haven't built a Tamiya kit or a car and you want a nice kit, Tamiya is very nice. It practically, you shake the box, and this model's probably halfway together now just because I shook the box. But then I bought some raffle tickets. And you know the saying, lucky at love, unlucky at cards, or lucky at cards, unlucky at love. For me, maybe it's unlucky at love and lucky at raffles. Yeah, I was kind of embarrassed to go up to the table, and thank goodness I actually wasn't around when they were calling the numbers. We just wrote them up on the whiteboard, so wherever I was during while they were calling out the raffle numbers, I wasn't anywhere around because I would have been rather embarrassed. Why, you say? I only bought $20 worth of raffle tickets now. Keep that in mind, okay? First, we got the tin box of Jeff Gordon in this fancy tin box. I want it. I'm not a big NASCAR fan, but still, it's pretty cool. And then I won, who is this? Mark Martin, number 6. Another special tin. Two NASCAR kits. I don't build a whole lot of NASCARs, but I can use the frames and stuff for whatever. Raffle ticket. Or I can find something to do with them, I'm sure. But that's not all I won. I won the Undertaker. See, another raffle ticket there. Brand new sealed box. It's a pretty good haul so far, right? We're just getting started. I won this old monogram 1948 Ford Woody in beautiful shape. The box is a little rough, but that's okay. Everything inside is sealed and beautiful. And it was what, maybe $1.15 by the time you divvy out the raffle tickets. Oops, I gave it away. I gave it away. I won the Emperor Palpatine. Now, we just passed May the 4th, so this goes good. And if you've seen my other video, that's also why I bought the R2-D2. Chris from Chris's House of Plastics, he sent me the Rebel Snowspeeder. So I'm going to have to take a month of just building Star Wars stuff. And there may or may not be a Millennium Falcon that's hidden somewhere on my bench that we're not going to show right now. So I won this wonderful huge figure, and I've been wanting to try a bigger figure like this, and there's the perfect excuse. Of course, I was hoping for more attractive figure to paint, but pretty hard to mess him up. Oh, we got more. I won this sealed Ford Model T pickup. Still brand new in the box, with 3 versions that you can make and the different engines that come with it. See, I would have been embarrassed to keep walking up there, and I was still embarrassed at the stack of them. We won Tommy Ivo rear engine funny car. I know I have at least one of his cars, and I've been wanting to build one of these dragsters for a long time, and this is my excuse for it. See, another raffle ticket. I also won a metal tray, and maybe somewhere I can find the picture of it, but it's a pretty model tray of like a 50s garage scene or something like that. A friend of mine there, Scrooge, he wanted it and said he knew a perfect place in his house where it would go, so he got to take that home. Oh, let's see. Oh, we got this one. Western Auto NASCAR. Again, another NASCAR sealed in a box. I'm sure we can do something with this. This is pretty cool. I'm starting to get freaked out now by the time I'm looking at all this stuff. They kept asking me if I'd won there was a 1/16 scale Thunderbird on the table, or was it a Thunderbird or was it a Chevy? One of the two. The other one that Shaggy didn't win. There were 2 16th cars on the table, and Shaggy won one and I won the other. Well, the little kid there was wanting it, and by this time I've got enough stuff, so it's like, here you go. It's a nice car, it's a nice model. I got enough. Oh, but I'm not done, because I also got this wonderful Ravel 29 Ford. If you haven't built this kit, this is a great kit to build. It comes with 2 frames, 2 different types of motor styles. The body's kind of like got 2 different variants, a longer and a slightly shorter one. This is a really cool kit, and eventually I'm going to get out make the video of the one that I just built, so you can see just how beautiful these kits can turn out. And I've already got another one of these in my stash because it was such a beautiful build that, well, if you don't have one, if you haven't gotten one, get you one of these. This is my first one. This is the first Roadster that I've built, the first Roadster model that I built, and you can't go wrong with this one. This will turn you into a roadster builder. They're that good. I'm still not done. Well, you've probably seen it by now. I also got this great big 1/25th scale trailer. All from $20 worth of raffle tickets. Thank goodness I wasn't there to keep walking up there. I would have been worn out by the end of the day, and somebody would have been attacking whoever was pulling out the tickets. So, unlucky at love, lucky in raffles. And with all these beautiful things, these are my most favorite things that I got at the show, believe it or not. I also won 2 prizes, and this is going to be the subject of a later video, I hope. But you can see this is a Tamiya World War II Martyr tank destroyer that I built, and I entered this into the ArmorGators side of the contest, so it wasn't judged with the rest of the models. And the way they do their judging, I mean, this is serious stuff. This isn't, you got to fill out forms, you got to fill out, they got judges, they got tables. Each one of the judges has a form that they fill out for it. Some pretty serious judging. But I won 3rd place, the bronze award, for the P.A.M.S. model show for open top models. This is very cool. This is a very cool poker chip. I'm very proud of this. I like that. But the favorite thing I won at our show was this People's Choice Award back here. Now, give me just a moment and we're going to get the camera up. I got 1st place with the drag racing division with my Jungle Jim Monza again. There should be the link somewhere of where this video is, and the video is really poor quality because I couldn't see it at the time. Anyways, up close, apparently this is a very well liked model because it also got 2nd place in the Cincinnati car show. But I just love this prize. I just love it, love it, love it. With the paint scheme that Scott came up with, it looks like it's already in the winner's circle at the end of the track. People's Choice. This is very special to me. This one's very special. I love this, and I love the whole concept of if you get a 1st prize like this, that you can actually put the model that got the 1st prize on the award like this. This is just fantastic. I don't know if any of the other car shows, model contests do anything like this, but this right here, this is a winner idea. This is a great winner idea. So we had a lot of fun at the show. I'm going to try to throw up some pictures. Shaggy's got a whole bunch of other videos. He was better than I was and got some more pictures, videos, interviews, and stuff like that. And I'm going to throw some more pictures at the end of this video of some of the beautiful and fantastic cars that were there. Thank again to Scott, to all the other members of the club, WT and Noelle for being there and being such wonderful people. It was a great time. All of those same people are going to be there come September. I don't have the date off the top of my head yet, but we're going to be there in September for the P.A.M.S. show. If you've got any chance, come on down to this one. It's our biggest show of the year, and there's going to be a ton of categories again. I don't know if there's enough time for Scott to make more of these prizes or not. He said he has something in mind, but he's keeping it a secret. So we'll just have to wait and see about that. And if nothing else, it's Florida. We got a beach 30 minutes away. Come on down, take a visit, have some fun. Check out the vendors. You'll be glad you did. All right, we'll see you next time on Pappy Tankers.
Whether you're painting model cars, armor, big rigs, t-shirts, or even people, Gallery has the right products for you. Don't forget to use code PappyTinkers at checkout for 10% off.